Hello everybody, this is Ariens lawnmower. I'm gonna show you how to remove the reverse safety switch. It's just a simple step. It really annoys me, and I believe you when you put it in reverse it kills the engine. So I'm gonna show you a little quick. It's back here. You obviously put the seat up. There's the battery support. You remove that and attach to the wire that goes to the seat kill switch. I would not recommend to kill that unless you really need it, but that's a really good thing to have. But this on the reverse is really not working pretty good. So this is the wire. It's yellow, one yellow and two black, that goes to this reverse kill switch, which basically, just gonna show you, I'm gonna point it to you. It goes around and it goes right here. You can see that properly. It's somewhere right here. That's the kill switch. When you put it in reverse, it's gonna kill it. So all you have to do, disconnect this, take it apart,